Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a AI video generator using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and this time we're going to use Node.js as a backend. And here you will be having a text area to type your prompt. Let me type a cinematic video for or of a rocket or whatever you want. You can type. Sorry, rocket. And just click on this button. So it takes a bit time, like a bit of 2 to 3 minutes or sometime more than this as well. So I will be fast forwarding this video generation phase. So here it is, the video has been generated, which is of 0.5 seconds. And yeah, I have set it for the that the video is shorter so that the token lasts long. Actually it is not tokens. The replicate uses some different kind of peeling process. Let me see replicate. Yeah, so here it is. Let me create my account, and you too have to create your account here. So sign in using well, right. Skip this, not required. View your dashboard. Yeah, so here you can see in the dashboard, I will not go in detail because the video will be too much long. So the main thing here required is this: run a model. Here you will get your API token, and also you can generate your API. If you go to the API tokens, here you can create your tokens here. Okay, and it gives somewhat $1 to $5 for testing. So you can use it for now. Okay, and I'll show you within the process how we are going to use this token and its API for this. Okay, so let's begin. So let us first create a folder, name AI generator. Okay, then open it on Visual Studio Code. So let us create our files. First index.html, then style.css, and then app.js. So these three files will be for our front end. Okay, and let's begin with the HTML part first. So let's create it. Here I will change it to AI video generator. Yes, and then I will link our style. No, it will be link. Style sheet. Style sheet href style .css. Close it. Next, so once we connected our CSS, and one more thing, I'll be copy pasting all the CSS here because we don't have much time to write all this CSS, which will be useless. And as I already show you a lot of CSS in my previous videos, so you can check it there if you want to learn CSS. And as we have backend here, so I think it will be better if we skip the CSS part, right? So I have just copy pasted all the CSS that required for our project, so that we don't have to write all this CSS manually. Okay, just for now we just need to write our HTML, app.js, and we have to build our server. Okay, so let's begin here. First, let's start with a div. Here it will have class container. Okay, here is an issue. So to fix it, just type insert and your container. Okay, it got fixed now. Okay, then inside this div I will give it a header first. Okay, with class input header. Inside this header I will have another div with class brand, means whatever name is our brand, like it's our brand. Okay, inside this I will have one heading h2. Here I'll type AI generator. Okay, AI video generator. Below this div we'll be having our form. So I will give an ID to this form named generate form, generator form. Okay, with class input chat input form. Okay, let's see what's happening in our file. So I will start my live server. Just click on this go live. Yeah, so as we already added our css, so we'll be seeing this pre-made. Okay, so it is looking good right here. So inside this form, chat input form, we'll be having one text area. Okay, in this text area I will give it a ID name prompt text. Okay, so ideally prompt text, and I'll give it a height of 2 rows. There will be 2 rows. Okay, and the placeholder, uh, type your from here. Okay, so okay, it doesn't look much good. Actually there is a typo, that's why it's not catching up. Yeah, you can see now this is what our text area with the css design, and type your prompt here. Yeah, that's great. Now here inside this I have to add a button. Okay, I need to add a button which will have our this send icon or whatever submit button. Okay, then here it will be type submit. As you can see, it is a form, and id, what should I give? Generate button. Okay, generate btn, generate btn. Then I'll give it a title, send form. T. Okay, that's great. Now inside this button, I don't want to add any text. I want to give a icon. So in order to give a icon, I will pick it up from font awesome cdn. Okay, font awesome cdn. Go to this website here. Copy this. Copy link tag. Come here. Paste it here. Okay, great. Now find the icon. So font awesome icons. Here. Find. It will be kind of like paper plane. Paper plane. See, yes, I'll pick this one, copy this, paste it here. Okay, let's see how it looks. Great. Yeah, that's enough for this. And last thing what we have to add is our app.js file here as well. So in that case, sorry, one more thing. So when there is no data here, we have to show something, right? So for that case, or also for showing videos, when you prompt video get generated, then also you have to show here. So for that we'll be creating one more thing, one more div. So no, let's give it in main. It is the main container here. There is the main content. So we'll give it a class chat feed. Here will be the feed, whatever you prompt. Okay, then I'll give it an id chat feed. Okay, inside this main I'll give another div with class welcome message. And also I'll give it an id because we will be appending all the videos here itself. So it will be welcome message for now. By default there will be uh, I will give some instruction here. Input your parameters evoke to dispatch the filer, means parameter here to dispatch the compiler, okay, or to generate a video, not dispatch the compiler, it will be too much technical, right? About to generate a video, okay. I think that's enough for this UI. Now let's work on its brain, which is the JavaScript part, okay. So here it is, app.js. So in app.js, first of all, let just we need one function, that is whenever we type something here, right, and we click it, then we have to run this JavaScript, right? So for that, what we'll do, we'll pick this button dot get element by ID. We have our ID here, uh, here. So ID is generate button. Pick this, okay, paste it here. So this is our elements, and I will be adding event listener here. Add event listener. It will be submit, and I will run a async function as we have to hit a server from here. Event. Okay. So now here we will be preventing from submitting the page normally here. Okay. We'll do it manually. For that we have to put e.prevent default. So, prevent default. Okay. So now let's grab the input and UI elements that will be updated during the generation. For const prompt input and input dot get element by ID. We have here this, close it. Next, const prompt text document dot get element by ID. Oh, actually it's the input here, so we'll be getting this here as we already pass this prompt text. Now we'll be getting it from here, okay. So its value will be the text, and we'll trim it for unwanted value. And then once you get this, we have our generate button is equal to id generate en. After this, we'll have our chat feed, okay, as we have created dot get element by ID. But right now this one will be this, and at last we will be having our welcome message. Same here, get element by ID, and we already have this, copy and paste it here. So these are all the inputs and UI elements that we need. Now if we have some checks to be applied here, so if in case prompt text is not there, we have to return it here itself, okay. Condition if no prompt text, then return, okay. So yeah, okay. Let's check something if it works or not. Test it is not getting called. Generate button document dot. Okay, actually what we did, we haven't even added the script here. We have to add the script here. Script source app.js. Okay, just close it. That's it. Now we have to check this test. Okay, there's some kind of error. Is actually the issue is that we are clicking this button. No, we don't have to click this button. We have to click this form. When this form gets submitted, okay, when this form gets submitted, it will hit this, not the button. Okay, so now let's test it. Test. Okay, you can see now it is working. So there was a typo here, so not an issue. So this is the text. Well, now let's see what text we're getting here. So okay, let's type something. Test. So here it is. You can see this is the value we are getting from here. Okay, that's fine. Till now our app.js is working fine. Now after that we have to clean the UI after during the generation, right? So for that what we will do, if welcome message is there, means there is nothing, then we'll do welcome message dot style dot display equal to none in case of generation. So when you submit the form, it will start generating, right? So in that case it will get none. Okay, sorry. So for now, after this, again few more things. Generate button disabled. Disabled. No area disabled. It will be disabled. Will be true. So true, and same for the prompt. It will be get disabled. Disabled. Not comma. So when the video will be generating, all of this will be disabled, so that user cannot type all this thing. Okay, after that we'll have to inject the prompt, right? So for that I will create a variable user raw. So there will be different kind of raw. So user raw, the AI generated raw, so that will be different. Okay, so here document dot create element. So we'll be creating element here dynamically, which will be a div. Close it. Then use raw dot class name, or give not class list, class name, as we already created chat raw inside that chat raw, like inside this chat feed chat raw, and there will be separate class for user because it will be typed by the user. And I will add some inner HTML here. Dot. So inner HTML will be like this. Div class chatbot no, not chatbot, chat content, and okay, closing this okay. I have to type it manually. Here inside this I will have another div with class, and let's close it. There will be two divs. Okay, close the div. Now here inside this first I'll give it a class. uh, so as it is a user, it will be showing user effort for using you. Will you mention it is as you. Class will be equal to message body. And this is the message body. What we will be typing will be short here. That is the prompt that has been shared here. Prompt text, not input, text. Okay, here is one typo. Yeah, that's it. So it will, the user part will come here, and then also we have to add the AI part as well. And before that, let's append it as well. So where we have to append it here in the feed. Okay, so that's chat feed dot append child and use user row. Okay. Now let's append the AI loading and other thing. Okay, so for that let's give const AI raw will be document dot create element div AI raw class name equal to chat raw. Yeah, so this is the chat raw is the common one. Okay, chat raw, because this is the common CSS we have applied here, chat raw, but what we are separating is this AI. Okay, then let's close it, move it next. Const I will give also a unique ID to each response targeting the loading message later. Okay, for that unique ID then AI message to show AI message, separate AI message for separate prompt, right? So that's why you have to give it. And I will use date time. So date dot now, yes, date of. So this is the unique ID for each message. Now I will give AI raw the inner HTML. Same thing we have to type here, type in manually, no choice. So I can show it there as well, but it is quite time consuming. I don't have much time to show you like that. Okay, here I will give a class, then class name will be chat content, same as this chat content. I will copy this, then put it here. Okay, okay, you don't get it. So here chat content, and inside this avatar will be there, but it will be what? AI. Okay, and the message body will be and also message body, it will have ID first. ID will be equal to this. Then we add this ID, and inside this again I will give one def, because there is no prompt text required here. Okay, so here div close div give class, I'll give it a spinner here. Okay, spinner will do it later on. Span uh, compiling on replicate GPU, because this replicate provide us with GPUs. I will show you, and also it shows us the time and the price and the cost required to build a video. Okay, takes 2 to 3. Okay, and then also we have to close them. Okay, there is some kind of typo here. Let's check this by putting there if it is correct or not. So better to check rather than to cry. Okay, yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, now let's append it. Append it to child. Fit. Append child, and append child. It will be the AI row. Okay. Now, so if we go to the scroll down to the latest message, like when we create the prompt and there is the too much of prompt, too much operation. So we'll be creating going to directly to the next prompt. Okay, so better I'll be showing you. So let's stop it here and create our backend first. Now let's do it so that we can fetch our data, and I will be showing you it in the first end here. So let's start our backend. Create a folder, name backend. Inside the backend, okay, open your terminal first. So here in the terminal, go to the folder. Okay, now hit command npm init -y. So it will initiate the Node.js project. Then you can do like npm install. You hit npm install. It will install all the basic packages like package.json. What are the packages required? Then let's install our libraries that are required. Npm I express. We need express. We need course. We need .env and also replicate. Let's see clearly. Report replicate. Let's hit enter. So it will install our all the required. Got some kind of error. Npm express code not found. Dot okay, again here typo. Not an issue. Express codes dot it's going to be long. It's a long time. After a long time, I am creating this video, so uh, I will try to create it more better, present it more better. Give me the feedback. Okay, if you find anything that I can improve. Okay, so yeah, so that's we have installed. Now install our all the required packages. Now let's create our server. New file server.js. So inside the server.js, let us first load our environment file. So also we need a env file. Okay. So yeah, because I will not public my API keys or tokens, so I will keep it safe. So in order to keep your API safe, you have to store it in env, which is not accessible by other or in server. We don't upload it directly. Yeah. Or and as well, remember this: never ever upload your API keys to the server or anything paste somewhere. Okay. So let's start. Require .env .env config. Yeah, not here. Sorry, it's a env file in the server. We have to do. Okay. Mm, Here in the env, we have to write replicate API token. So as I already showed you that in the replica website, you just need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, just paste it here and do nothing. Now we have to do everything in this server page. So after importing all the environment variables, so now let's start our Express, build our Express, I mean Express servers const. Let's import our Express to require yes, that's a common just syntax. Then we'll be importing our course, require course, then replicate replicate require replicate. This is all we need here. Now let's create our app. Const app express. Okay, then now we are going to use our course in the app, and course stand for course cross origin resource sharing, so that we can share our resources or exchange our resources safely from multiple sources, okay, multiple locations. So that's a safety measures here, safety middle. Okay, so we'll not go deep into the course right now, we will have separate video for that. Okay, so just use it here for now. Course, okay, app use course, then app use express.json. Now we'll be using express.json so that it supports JSON format as well. Okay, then so it means this parsing in JSON request. Okay, now let's use our replicate const. Let's initialize our replicate. Yes, replicate new replicate, so it can read API token for the environment. Okay, where is it for reading API tokens? Now let us define our API routes. Okay, next app dot post, will be accepting post request. Okay, inside the post we will be letting our endpoints generate video. Okay, generate video, and here we will have our async request response. Request response. Okay. Inside here, I will use a try catch block to catch any error in the response or anything comes here. So let's use the prompt first. Let's pick up the prompt, which will be coming in the body prompt, and we'll be taking it from the request body. Request body. Okay, and let's we can log all the thing here. Check like log body, so you can check this as well if possible. And also let's handle the error first. Console error expectation exception. There it will be the error that has been coming from here. All this, and here we'll be sending response status 500 because this is a server error. So all these server errors are represented by server. So JSON, we're sending error dot error dot. Okay, great. So this is how we handle. Now let's hit this endpoint and check if it is working or not in our front end, okay, as we are going to run it locally. So also we have to listen this servers first. So for that, let's do one thing: const server app dot listen at port 300, and an anonymous function here, console dot log. Here we'll say replicate node engine running on port, or running on slash local host 3000. Okay, this will be the message showing here, and server, let's give it a set timeout of 6 minutes. So now let's run our application, and we'll be checking our prompt if it is working or not. So what you have to run, you have to run node server.js. You have to run this file, and after typing node here server.js, and it will run the server. Yes, great. See, for the first time, without any error, our server got run. Okay, now let's check if our front end is successfully sending requests or not. So for in the app.js, let's do one thing. Here also, we start like a chat feed. If we scroll top, then chat feed dot scroll. So what it will do, like it will scroll to the latest message. Okay, scroll like this. So it means once we're going on typing message here, like all the message. So what will be the latest message? It will scroll back to that. Okay, and also after submitting, we'll empty this prompt in. Okay, so from input dot value will be what will be empty. So once you type sub, so after that, now we have to fetch the data. So let's use a try catch block. Inside here, let us call the API we have just created. Const response, as it is async function, will be using await fetch, and as it is running locally, so we're going to use this local path. So I think I already typed this, so why to type most of the time? So if you can copy paste, right? And this is the server where this is the path where the server is running, and this is the endpoint where we're going to send the message. Okay, so yeah, that's great. And as I already mentioned, it is a post request, so we have to send body here. So in the body, it will be the method uh, post, then headers will be content type. As I already told you, it will be accepting JSON content type. Headers content not small content type, will be application slash JSON. Okay. Then also we have to send body, right? Here we'll just stringify it before sending it. Okay, stringify. Here will be stringify what? Prompt. We'll be sending it as a prompt. Prompt. It will be the key, and we already know what we're going to send, prompt text. Okay, that's what our body is. Header body method. Now we'll be receiving some kind of data here. So for that, const data await, and this will be in format of JSON. We'll be sending it in format JSON. So respond dot open JSON. Okay, okay, nice. And if it doesn't send any error, so means if there is any error, let's handle the error as well. So in case of error, what we'll do, we'll do document dot get element by ID, pick the unique ID. Okay, will pick means unique ID means the unique message, that a particular message. In our HTML will be equal to, like, we'll be getting some kind of HTML span. Okay, span. Here I want to add style. Why add style will be some kind of red color. Okay, give it a red color will be red. Okay, so yes, so it will work. And here compilation failed, and we show the error message, error dot message. Okay, and let's close it. Okay, so here span, we are doing this style color red, I will solving the message, and then close it. And also, to finally, what we'll do, we'll disable it again, unlock the form. Okay, unlocking the form for so the user submit another form, right? So what we'll do, generate button dot disable it false, then form false, dot focus. Okay, so it's the focus, so we'll be focusing on the prompt. Okay, so that we can start typing again. Okay? We'll remove the disabled if it finishes everything. So let's do one thing, let's try and hit it once. Test. Okay, no, car, it says yeah, great. You can see we're getting this response. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can't imagine that it is working without any bug, right? Nice, 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 nice. So let's enter few of the thing here as well. So if in case there is the response is not okay, dot not okay, in that case throw a new error. We'll throw an error. Okay, so new error. Here the data which will be coming, will be picking the error from here, or we'll just show a text called backend proxy rejected the request. Okay, okay, in case when there is no response or nothing. Okay, so after that, this is the case. Now we will be replacing the loading message with the generated video. I have already shown that whenever I have typed, there was a message like, let's say, test. You can see this is the message. It will be replaced by the video. So const. And if you notice that we have that our user and the what it called test user no sorry, test this is the user and this is the AI, and I already told you. Okay, so now let's do it. Last step, const yeah, target message body will be dot get element by ID, and it will be the unique ID. Okay, okay, so we got this target message body dot inner HTML will be, so here we have to type the message, like it will be the p tag first. It's p. Inside here, asset successfully generated. generated. Successfully generated. And below here we'll have div. Let's close the div. It will have class, and the class name will be video container. Video by container. Video container. Okay. So inside this video, we'll be using video tag to play the video. Video, and close the video tag. Okay. Now here we'll be sending the URL here. So we'll give the controls attributes, autoplay, autoplay, loop, and the main thing source will be coming from the backend. Okay, so we'll be bringing the data dot, it will be the video URL. This will be final thing, and also I will give a download option as well. Going to close this, and the download option for that I'll be using anchor tag. Okay, here href will be this, and the download link will be coming from the backend only. The same thing, this will be the same URL. Will play it in the browser, it will give us the option. Let's copy this, paste it here, video URL, then target, it will be blank because it will open in the new tab. So and 182 download, and I will give it a class. So let's say I already added CSS for it. It will be download button BTN, and I will say download MP4. So here it is. So now let's complete our server as we left here. So let's do it. After this, I'll do one thing, output const output will be equal to, wait, now we'll be using the replicate here, replicate dot run, and here we're using Minimax Video-01, Minimax, we're using the Minimax model Video-01, Minimax Video-01, and we'll be sending a payload here. The input, here the input will be in an object, and prompt will come from the prompt, comma, prompt optimization, prompt optimizer, so here prompt optimizer will be true. Okay, I should optimize the prompt. So yes, so once it is successful, then I will also log here just the replicate generation bit, generation complete. Okay, so just to show that yeah, it is confirmed that. So now let us pick a variable for video link. Here if output is there, and type of output URL is equal to function is like triple equal function, then video link will be equal to output dot URL close, and then else if then if array dot is array output, in that case video link will be output 0. Yeah, because it's according to the response we get here. Okay, as the output we get here, we are doing this. Okay, so it's take time, so I am not showing you in the first time. So out, sorry, give me a second, cars. Okay, so here it is. Till then, let us check, let us build our logic. Then else we'll be doing like video link. Okay, so video link to output, so we can't change then, and we'll be sending this with the response. Okay, response dot json equal to just, as you can see, we are using this video URL, so we'll be sending it this video URL here from here itself, so that you can pick it there, this video link send. Okay, that's all we need to do here in the server. See what we're doing, we're getting the prompt and using the replicate to get the video link. Okay, and then it's great. Now let us restart our, like, do it like node server. So as we have made a lot of changes, now we'll be checking it like cards. Let's just type cards here. Okay, now see, okay, it's not updating, it's actually floating. It's doing its work. So we can check in our app that how work it is doing. So go to the dashboard. Now here it will be visible. Okay, so you can see this is the thing I was talking about. Now it is showing that it is generating about, let's see, there's the processing, it's generating a video in the replicate here, but once this video gets generated, it will be visible here in our application. Okay, so wait for it. So as I already showed you, these are the GPUs it is taking. What are the models? I'm using Minimax Video-01 is the model, and this is the ID, this is the source, status, total duration, approximate cost, everything. Okay, it will, once it's generated, it will show. Okay, don't worry. So it will take time. Let me fast forward. Here you can see it has generated the video. Okay, successfully, right? It is also a 0.5 second, and you will be able to see here that he has succeeded. It took this much amount of time. Total duration is this. Okay, and this is $0.5 approximate cost. So this is how you can generate video for free. Okay, this is how it looks like. If you can create more videos like a beautiful island video of 2 second. Sorry, so let's hit this. So you can see it will scroll down to this one. So now it will generate videos, and you will be, so you can try on your own. Same thing, you will go here, you'll be able to see. You just reload it, you can see this is come here, and it will generate a video here itself. So that's all. I think that's what I wanted to share with you, how you can generate AI videos for free. But it's not free, at least you can test, you can try it for free, and once this your initial balance over it, then later on you have to take the subscription. As you know that video generation take a lot of GPUs. Okay, it means other types like coding and other thing, it takes a little bit lower. But in case of video generation, it takes high computing power for AI to generate. So it's more costly. It will be there is not much free APIs to generate video. Okay, free videos. Okay, so I think that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and also give feedback if you want anything or any other thing to be added here, or any other video so that I can create. Okay, chalo. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.